Hello, everybody. Coming up on 6 a.m., October 3rd, 2025, watching the tropics out there. Still two areas that the Hurricane Center is marking on their maps. First, that area near Florida. That is a weak low pressure that's developing north of the Bahamas. Now it's going to cross the state this weekend. None of their models do anything with this. They do see the low pressure there, but don't develop it. And all it's going to do is increase the rain chances across the state. Then move out into the Gulf and just kind of fizzle out. The chances of development here are just 10%, not a concern. As we look out into the Atlantic, now that system's a little bit more interesting. 30% chance of development over the next 7 days. I really think this is next week that we will be watching this, but it is likely to be our next named storm. Let me show you what some of the models are showing. All right, three model plots here that top the European ensembles, and notice they're clustered right across the Atlantic next week. Some of those lines turn blue, red, and fuchsia. That indicates a named storm, and they all cluster around the Leeward Islands late next week. All of the models, by the way, move this away from the U.S. East Coast because of a frontal system nearby. Middle panel, that's the chance of a tropical depression developing next week from the Euro, and notice starting to see some yellows and greens there. That's a moderate to high chance of that depression forming. On the bottom, that's the GFS, also red, blue, and fuchsia lines indicating even the GFS thinks this could be a named storm. A little bit more spread to the track there, but because this system is tracking a little farther south, definitely interested in the Leeward Islands, namely Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. I'll keep tracking it.